Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Instagram ID public. First, understand that a public profile means anyone on Instagram can see your posts, stories, and reels. This change can significantly increase your visibility and engagement, allowing more people to discover your content. To begin, you will need to navigate to your profile within the Instagram application. This process is straightforward and takes only a few moments to complete, giving you full control over your account's privacy settings. To adjust your privacy settings, start by opening the Instagram app and going to your profile page. Look for the 3 horizontal lines or dots in the top right corner and tap them to open the main menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Within this section, you will find Account Privacy. Simply tap on this option and then toggle the private account switch to the off position. A confirmation message will appear, ensuring you understand the change. Once your Instagram profile is public, several key changes take effect immediately. Every piece of content you share, including photos, videos, and stories, becomes visible to all Instagram users, not just your approved followers. Furthermore, new users can follow your account without you needing to approve each request individually. While anyone can comment on your posts, you still retain control over who can send you direct messages through your message controls, offering a layer of protection. To maximize the benefits of a public Instagram profile, consider these tips. Utilize relevant hashtags and location tags on your posts to help new audiences discover your content. Actively engage with your followers by responding to comments and direct messages. This fosters a strong community. Aim for consistent posting to keep your audience interested and your profile active. Remember, a public profile offers a fantastic opportunity to share your content with a much wider audience and connect with many new people.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.